Transferring an Amazon gift card balance to another account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to log in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the gift card section. Within the gift card section, you will see various options for gift cards. Click on any of them to proceed. For example, let's say you select Amazon gift card. You'll be taken to a page where you can see different options and designs for Amazon gift cards. On the Amazon gift card page, you will see different denominations or types of gift cards. Choose the one you want to transfer. You will need to enter the details of the gift card you're transferring. After entering the gift card details, you will be prompted to enter the email address of the recipient to whom you want to send the gift card. You may have the option to choose a design for the digital gift card. If available, select the design you prefer from the available options.